Welcome back students. Today we will learn searching elements in an array. Let us know what is search. The process of checking a particular value in an array refers to search. If the value is present in the array, then index number of that element will be displayed. For example, we have array called A and then these are the elements. If we search for value 7 and then it is available in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th index number. So, we will print it is available at index number 5. If we see search techniques, we have commonly used two techniques, that is linear search and binary search. Linear search, each element of the array is compared one by one with the given value to be searched. This will be done until the value is found. Otherwise, this will continue until the last index. This technique is also called sequential search technique. Let us learn the linear search technique. Before starting the search, we will initialize a variable as false, that is Boolean type variable. So, Boolean flag I have given the variable name here and then I initialized as false. Flag is the common variable name which we use in the search technique. For example, if I have an array like this, for your better understanding, I have also displayed index number here. Let us imagine that we are searching for value 54 here. Linear search will search by comparing the element of first index to the last index. So, value in index number 0 will be compared with the given value. Then it is false here. It will go to the next index number, that is 1, and then it is comparing, again it is false. So, it will keep on comparing like this, it becomes false. Third one, it is false. Fourth one, again it will be false. Fifth one also, it is false. Now, sixth one, it is true. When the search is successful, then we print the index number of the element which is available. And then we assign that flag as true. When search is successful, and then we don't need to check for the rest of the elements. So, what we do? We break using the break statement. If no elements are matched with the given value, value of flag will be false. It never gets changed into true. So, if it is false, then we print element not found. This is how linear search technique works. Let us create a program. I will demonstrate. Let us create a class. Before that, I will keep ready copying the codes from the previous program. So, I copied the codes until we take the input. I will change the class name here. Then we are taking the double type of array. Okay, let it be as double type. Then we don't need to have this variable. Instead of that, we need a Boolean variable which is initialized as false. So, Boolean flag is equal to false. After taking the input, we have to start searching for the element. Before that, we have to get the element which we are searching for. So, let us prompt the user to give the input for the element which we are searching. So let me have only print. Elements are double type, so we give double. S is the variable, we store the value to be searched, is equal to double dot parse double of br dot read line of, then we terminate. Now we give the for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is lesser than the length of the array. So we can give arr dot length I plus plus. So from the index number 0 until the last index, it will keep on searching. So we give the condition here, if the element, that is arr of I, is equal to the value which we are searching for, that is S. So it will search one by one until it gets. If this is true, we will print system dot out dot print line of element found at index equal to plus index will be I. Then turn the flag as true. Flag is equal to true. Then we will break it. So we don't need to search anymore. This is when it finds the element which we are searching for. If it is not finding, it will keep on searching until the end, but still the flag will remain false itself. So after completing the search, we will say if it is not found, if flag is equal to false. If it remains same, then we say system dot out dot print line of element not found. Then we will close the method, close the class. I will compile this, no syntax error. I will give 10 values. So let me give the value which is available here, 5457.65. Let me check before, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th is the index number of this number. So I give enter. So element found at index 7. Let me run once again. So I am searching which is not available. Element not found. If we are having string elements, so let us change this and learn. So I am having string type of array. So array length I give just 5, and then here when we check this, we will not have equal to, instead of that we will check dot equals of yes. If we need to ignore the case, we can give equals ignore case of. And then here we will not have all these. So we have only br dot read line of to take the input, and also searching element, this is string. So let us compile this. No syntax error. So let us run this. So I will be giving keyboard, mouse, pen drive, laptop. Then I give printer. Enter the value to be searched. I give mouse. So element found at index 1, 0, 1. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed learning linear search. Keep watching my videos, learn more. Thank you, students.